I started out in computers in 2001 as a developer in Holland. Later on, I moved to the west coast of Norway, where I'm from, and I started working in an ad agency. Here, I built the web department. They had not been working with programming before, and so we built a really great team developing content management and other software for companies. This gave me the experience so that I could build my own company in 2011 with some partners. This company eventually turned into Friend in 2014. So after having worked with different technologies for a long time, and especially having an interest from operating systems, I was a bit disappointed that Linux couldn't get user-friendly enough. And Windows and Mac wasn't really an alternative for me because they were proprietary and there was no participation in developing these operating systems. So I was for a short period of time involved with an operating system project called ROS, and I saw that an operating system is just a really big program. It's doable. You could make a team that could challenge some of the big ones and build something great. So after getting the experience from that project, I wanted to do something of my own, and I built a small team, and we called the system Anubis, which is the precursor of Friend. We lacked organization, but in 2014, I really saw that all the technology was ready. We had web technologies, we had video chat, we had so many technologies that were available directly from the browser. Why not use that? So all my prior experience combined with the state of technology in 2014 led to me getting inspired to build the Friend unifying platform. The biggest challenges in computing today is the vast silos from the big corporations. They have your data, they have the software you use, and you don't have any ownership. It's more like a leasing or rental contract. One of the biggest challenges today, and especially with thinking about the scandal with Facebook and the leaks from the big cloud providers, is trust. We need to re-establish trust between people building technology and people using technology. Now, having said the thing about trust, I think, wouldn't you trust a friend more than a large corporation? When using a computer, the operating system is like your co-pilot. The operating system is there to handle your file browsing and surfing the web, but you don't know if you can trust it. We want to build an operating system that can earn the name friend. And it is all about collaboration, friendships, and it's about trust more than anything else. Actually, when I was growing up, I wanted to be a painter. I was a creative kid. I was doing violin lessons, and I could read the notes, I could draw, and you know, I've always been a dreamer. But as I grew up and got into computers, that was never to be. And in a way, I've used the creative abilities to, instead of building, you know, sculpture or doing music or drawing, I'm now making software that millions of people can use.